right. Here we are working on a iRobot Roomba automatic vacuum cleaner. My wife loves these because they pick up dog hair. We only have one dog, but we have lots of dogs that visit. Both of my brothers have dogs that shed. My mom and dad have a dog that shed. And our neighbor has a dog that shed, and they all come over and hang out with our dog. So the Roomba is very handy. What happened was the little side brush thing quit working. So I went on Amazon and got this little guy right here. And we'll see if we can get it reinstalled, and hopefully it'll work, because it was not working at all. The gears inside that little motor are plastic. There's a metal motor, a metal gear on the motor, and then two plastic gears that transfer it to the brush. Well, one of those two plastic gears stripped out, so we'll swap the whole. I'm just gonna swap the whole unit, because I got that on Amazon really cheap. I think it was like $8 or something like that on Amazon. Maybe 12, I don't know, 8 to 12 bucks. Whatever, just look up your model number and type it in on Amazon. It'll show you what part number you need. But I did show that earlier so you can pause it and get the one that I have. I don't even know the model number for this Roomba. They're pretty much all the same. Really, there's not much difference in any Roombas. The iRobot ones. They're really easy to work on. It's a nice little cool little job to help the household here. That part right there was $25 on Amazon, but that's Prime. I mean, you might be able to find it cheaper, probably on eBay or somewhere else, even if it's not Prime on Amazon. But this part was 25 bucks. Just to let you know, I said it was like 12 or something, but whatever. It's 25 something. All right. just absolutely unreal amounts of dog hair, right? I mean, and we don't even, our dog is a bulldog. It don't shed that much. It sheds, but not like the amount of hair that you see inside the Roomba. Okay, here I've gotten all of it put back together, and I'm going to test it real quick. Just like hit the button and turn it off, just to make sure that the little blade thing is spinning, the little brush thing is spinning on the right side. And it does, so we're good. Now I'm ready to test it out for real. Okay, now after testing it out, had to clean it, and look here, while I was cleaning dog hair out of it, I dropped a Exact Zero knife, the knife of Exact Zero, down, and it landed in my boot, and just stabbed me. And here's a shot of me and Margot trying to sleep. She does not let me sleep. And here's a video to remind you real quick of just hydrate, guys, way before the game. Don't just hydrate during the game, because you're gonna throw up all the Gatorade you try to drink. And we're headed to the scrap metal place. And this is all the stuff that had to come out of the Roomba to replace the little part. But the little part, here's a video just to show again what happened. One of those little plastic gears stripped out. It was working, but this thing, the little side brush thing, wouldn't spin. So I'm pretty sure it was one of those little plastic gears that stripped out, or that little metal piece that goes into the plastic gear stripped out. So, but the $25 part fixed it. No problem.